Would you risk your life for a task that takes less than 5 minutes? Hello, everyone. Ladders are among the most commonly used tools in our workplace, but they are also involved in many serious injuries. It takes only a few seconds of unsafe behavior to turn a routine task into a life-changing accident. Today, I'll share 10 simple ladder safety tips that can help keep you and your colleagues safe every day. Did you know that most workplace falls happen from relatively low heights? One wrong step on a ladder can change a life forever. Every fall has consequences. Safety starts before your feet ever leave the ground. Always inspect your ladder before use. Check for cracks, damaged rungs, loose fittings, or missing feet. A damaged ladder is an accident waiting to happen. Choose the right ladder for the job. Never use a ladder that is too short, too weak, or not designed for the task. The correct ladder helps you work safely and efficiently. A ladder is only as safe as the surface beneath it. Always place ladders on firm, level, and stable ground. Never use makeshift supports to gain extra height. Always maintain 3 points of contact while climbing. 2 hands and 1 foot, or 2 feet and 1 hand, should remain in contact with the ladder at all times. This greatly reduces the risk of slipping. If you can't reach it safely, move the ladder. Never lean too far to either side. Keep your body centered between the ladder rails. Extension ladders must be positioned correctly and secured before use. Follow the 4-to-1 rule and ensure the ladder is stable. A properly secured ladder prevents unexpected movement. Never carry tools or materials in your hands while climbing. Use a tool belt, rope, or lifting device. Your hand should be available to maintain a secure grip. When working near electrical equipment, choose the right ladder. Metal ladders can conduct electricity. Use a non-conductive fiberglass ladder whenever electrical hazards are present. Every ladder has a load limit. Your body weight, tools, and materials must all be considered. Never exceed the ladder's rated capacity. We've learned that ladder safety begins long before we climb. Inspect your ladder, choose the right equipment, maintain 3 points of contact, avoid overreaching, and always stay alert. Remember, every fall is preventable when safety comes first. Let's make a commitment today. No shortcuts. No unnecessary risks. Just safe work every time. We commit to using ladders safely and protecting ourselves and our teammates. Because every safe step brings us one step closer to home. Every step matters. Every climb counts. Work safe, return safe. Safe ladders, safe people, safe workplace. Ladder safety, safety first, work safe, home safe.